In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of the Emma Budgeting app. If you're looking for an app that helps you track your spending, manage subscriptions, and get a clear picture of your finances all in one place, Emma might be what you need. But is it really helpful? And is it worth using compared to other budget apps? Stick with me as I break down the features, pros, cons, and who I think this app is best for. Let's start with what Emma is all about. Emma calls itself your best financial friend. The app connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investment accounts. Once linked, Emma pulls in all your transactions automatically and gives you a full view of where your money is going. One thing that makes Emma stand out is how well it tracks subscriptions. It spots subscriptions you might have forgotten about, like streaming services, apps, or gym memberships, so you can cancel anything you're no longer using. This is super helpful if you're trying to cut back and save money. Emma also helps you set budgets for different spending categories like groceries, shopping, or dining out. You can see how much you've spent and how much you have left for the month, which makes it easier to stay on track. The app is colorful, fun, and easy to use. I like that it shows spending insights in simple charts, so you don't need to be a finance expert to understand it. Emma also gives reminders for upcoming bills, and you can set saving goals to help you stay motivated. Now, let's talk about some things to consider. While Emma does have a free version, many of its best features are part of Emma Pro, which costs around $10 to $15 per month or about $90 a year as of 2025. The Pro version gives you things like custom categories, smart budgeting, and advanced analytics. If you're just looking for a simple way to track spending, the free version might be enough. Another thing to note is that, like any app that connects to your financial accounts, Emma depends on your bank connections working smoothly. Most of the time it works well, but sometimes there can be small syncing delays. So, who is Emma best for? I think Emma is great for people who want a fun, easy-to-use budgeting app that helps spot wasteful spending and keeps an eye on subscriptions. If you're trying to stay organized, reduce unwanted charges, and get a clear view of your finances, Emma is worth checking out. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Emma or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.